Falcons, it's Mrs. Stitley. Yesterday we talked about what a narrative essay is. Well, today is really exciting because you're going to brainstorm some ideas about what you might write about. So let's take a look at what I want you to really keep in mind as you're thinking about what can I write about, okay? Here's some things to keep in mind. Does the personal moment, the personal experience from your life have a beginning, a middle, and an end? In other words, is there enough to write at least one or more pages about? Okay, if it's something that only lasted a short time, you might want to think about other ideas. So keep that thought in mind. The second thing I want you to keep in mind is, does it have emotion involved? Whether it's happy, sad, embarrassing, or disappointing, the more emotion your experience or your personal moment has, the more you're going to be able to write with ease and be able to write with that sensory details and even using some figurative language. Lastly, as you're brainstorming, does the experience have a specific place and a date that it happened? Do you know the names of the people that are involved? Maybe it was just you, but if there are other people involved, be sure that you know the place, when it happened, and who was involved, okay? Now, I want you on this slide to list all possible experiences you can write here. Don't rule anything out, okay? Maybe it's a birthday party or a special holiday, maybe a time you broke your arm, or maybe, anything. Maybe a pet died, or you got a new pet and that was really exciting and maybe you had waited a long time for it. List any of those here, okay? Just brainstorming means any idea, okay? And then after you have explored all of your possibilities, I want you to choose the one that answers the questions from this slide. Okay, so you may have to toggle back and forth between those, okay? And once you've decided on the one that answers those questions, I want you to take this graphic organizer out of the envelope that you picked up at school from me, and it will say personal narrative. And today, you're going to complete just this part right here, the story summary, okay? What happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? And who was there, okay? You're only filling in 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. I don't even know that you need to worry about a story title yet, because I think the story itself will kind of develop and you'll come back and fill that in. So just filling in these 4 boxes today and just lay it aside. All right,